FAA Part 107. So far, we discussed the following operations. Remember, 3 statute miles. However, a remote pilot in command may reduce lightning intensity if it impacts his or her vision. Quick quiz. What is required to operate a small, unmanned aircraft within 30 minutes after official sunset? A. Anti-transponder. B. Use of anti-collision lights. C. Must be operated in a rural area. Answer is B. Use of anti-collision lights. Quick quiz. If sunrise is at 6:45, when can you launch your small unmanned aircraft? A. 6:45. B. 6:15. C. 7:15. Answer is 6:15. Thank you for attending this short lesson from Double Access LLC.